Hello everyone, it's Building Steam here, and welcome back to another Thomas Wynne Railway review. Today's review is on Wellsworth Station. Wellsworth Station is one of the early Thomas Wynne Railway items. I purchased this from the same local store that I get everything else just a few months ago. September to be exact. Unlike the dairy farm, this piece of clickety-clack track is connected to the station itself. This happened to be my first station ever, because I was really focused on engines and not destinations, but then I started to realize how much I needed destinations, and I started getting these. The detailing is very well, not as great as the detailing on the Mattel models, but this was good for the time, and it's good for me now. Here's some pottery right there. Some more. And the windows are, as usual, black, because there's nothing inside that they want you to see, because there's all that leaf mechanism in there. Here's the bell tower, which I actually had down a little bit before, right there. But yeah, it's bell tower, it's full length. I believe there's detailing all the way down there. I'll talk to you about that later. So I was actually wondering what year this was made, and I literally just found out. Golaine, I'm pretty sure this is how it's pronounced, Golaine Thomas Ltd. 2001. So it's about the same time as the other set, or destination, which is a sort of a dairy farm. And this happens to be my second review on a destination. So here's the front. Here's the entrance, and you can see a guy walking in. This was left in a box for a couple of years, and don't know how long. Probably since 2001. So things have kind of haven't touched it, but there's a little bit of wear and tear right in a few places. You can actually see the wood underneath. But yeah, there's a man. He looks like a passenger. You probably don't know what it says on all of those, but I'll read them out. The red and green one says Italy. The white one in the middle, right there, says USA. This one up top says New Zealand. That one underneath says France, Germany, Denmark, England, and then Spain. Here's a little bench on the front. Wellsworth Station 2. I wonder what the 2 means. If you know what the 2 means, please put it in the comment section. And as with everything on the front, I'll show you this as well. The clock, which is in Roman numerals, or as I say, ramen noodles. And here's a map of the island. This is the same map that you see in the beginning of old Thomas and Friends episodes. Excuse me, I'm just used to saying Thomas Wynne Railway. Where you would see there are islands of green, or trees of green, and oceans and stuff. Yeah, that map. So now for the action feature of the set. What you would do is just push down this bell tower, which this part is plastic right here. There's a low amount of plastic on the set, seeing as it is an old one. And another thing I don't understand is why they put plastic here around the door frame. But it does give that give it that extra pop. And it actually looks good from a distance. So yeah, the action feature is, you can see there's like a stop sign right here. Basically, you push this bell tower down, and I'll let go, and then it changes the details. So, one thing is, the man is gone, and there's just like the station master right there. And there's some like a little wire right there. Plastic's peeling. Curving around. And then you get to the side, and the man is walking out. Exit. And you can see his bag, which still says the same stuff, just with a little bit of it covered up. And the map is still there. Everything's basically the same. Just there's a man standing there, and here nobody's standing there. Now, you can see the man's face, which is similar to the station master's face. Now, this man looks like a businessman going on a business trip. As you can see, he has two bags, or luggage, carts, suitcases, yes, and a suit. It's a gray striped suit. And a red tie. It has bluish gray pants. It looks more of like a dark bluish gray. And dark bluish gray buttons on his shirt. A suit. And of course, a little paper in his pocket. Or whatever that is. But yes, it's like a wrap to the review on Thomas Wooden Railway, Wellsworth Station. There will be like one video per day, one review per day, and this is today's review. Review number 4, number 5 is coming out tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you for sitting around for around 8 minutes and listening to me talk about random Thomas Wooden Railway stuff. This should have taken a lot less time, and I'll try to speed up my reviews in the next videos. Also, I'm sorry if I stutter a little. But yeah, overall, I give this destination a 10 out of 10. It's a great destination to have on your layout. There's only a minor thing with the giant stop sign, but still gets a 10 out of 10 because more or less people can imagine it's not there. Which, with a lot of Thomas Wooden Railway things, you need to like imagine. Like if you're doing videos, you just need to imagine your hands aren't like right there unless you're like Enterprising Engine or Turtles and Thomas, who use strings, I believe, to pull them around. Those are just two of the people who don't use strings. But Keeker24 and myself use our hands. I'm going to use my hands in my series that I'm going to start. Yeah. And those 3 are really great YouTubers, Thomas Wooden Railway YouTubers. And there's like more Thomas Wooden Railway YouTubers. And they will probably be shouted out sooner or later. So yeah, that sums up this review, guys. You want to see on the bottom, there's basically nothing. Yeah, but that sums up this review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.